Hi there, Loy Macedo speaking from loymacedo.com and Loy Macedo TV. Today I'm going to speak to you about abortion. No, I'm not an expert on abortion. No, I've not had children, but I have an opinion on abortion. So I'd like to share that with you. Now, um, there are a lot of people who think abortion is a bad thing, and there are some people who think abortion is an okay thing. I feel, personally speaking, abortion is a necessary evil. Now, why do I say that? I'll give you an example. Let's say, for instance, I'm not taking the extreme case that someone got raped and she had a baby of this guy who's raped and now she wants to abort this. No, I'm not. I'm speaking on normal, everyday conditions. Let's say a guy and girl had sex outside marriage, okay? Which in some countries it's bad, it's a no-no, but it seems to be happening, okay? So a guy and girl had sex and then they had a baby, okay? Now, the guy is not in a position to look after the baby. The girl is not in a position to look after the baby. And if you listen to religious groups, if you listen to people, they'll say, no, we need to, no abortion, abortion not allowed, we need to have the baby. Now the question is, if you have the baby, who is going to take care of the baby? If the guy is not earning enough to take care of the baby, the girl is not earning enough, how will you take care of the baby? That is number one. Second is, let's assume they want to take care of the baby, and then they realize that the guy has to work maybe 2 jobs, the girl has to work 2 jobs. Who's going to take care of the baby? What values is the child going to learn? And third point, most important is, if they really don't want to have the child, there are some people who just don't want to have children. There are some people who suck at being good fathers and mothers. So is it better to have this for this child to be born and then to be abused and then to be hurt? To be honest with you, I think, honestly speaking, it's better to die fast and immediate than to die every day. So, in my personal opinion, if a mother and father cannot take care of a child, then it's just a sperm, like a small little cell, like, so small, a bunch of, what do you call that, whatever, cells. Get rid of it. Oh, okay, finish, it's done with. You give birth to a baby. After that, you say, oh, no, I don't want to have it. If you read the book Tipping Point by Malcolm Gladwell, in that he clearly gives example with statistics and facts as to why the crime rate in the United States declined. It was only because the number of unwanted children, they passed a law on abortion, and then unwanted children were no longer manufactured, so to speak, and that kind of reduced the bad quality of children. You had children raised properly. Now, all the children are the same, but it doesn't make sense if you want to give birth to a child and you don't have the time, money, and patience to take care of the child and bring it up. Like, the best example I can give you is my mother was always focused on trying to make money, trying to have a future, so much so that she hardly spent time with me. My real father, he just left me. My stepfather, the only thing he would do is physically beat me up. They were extremely super religious and very conservative. So you can see what happened to me. I'm just the opposite. So some people think I'm this bad guy and I'm this evil thing and all this stuff. Fortunately for me, I don't smoke, I don't drink, I don't socialize. I just sit and read books, and I think I'm a good guy. I'm not saying I'm a good guy, but I'd like to assume that I am a good guy. So my opinion is abortion should be legalized. I think if a mother and father cannot take care of a child, I think the child should not be born. And if in case, let's say, a child is conceived by mistake, I think it's perfectly okay to go for abortion. But then again, this is my opinion. It's worse to have a child and then to abuse a child. There is so many people out there who are abusing their children, fathers who are raping their children, mothers who are beating up and hurting their children. And okay, not all cases are like that, but there are many parents who work so many jobs that they don't have time to spend with their kids, and when these kids grow up, I mean, it becomes a very difficult thing. I get so many children, youngsters coming to me for mentoring, for coaching, and I can literally see as to the impact of improper upbringing. So this is my opinion on abortion and whether or not you should have children. So let me know what you think, because I feel abortion should be legalized, and having children, I say, is not a game. If you're ready for it, have it. If you're not ready for it, abort it. So this is what I feel. Let me know what you think. Thanks.